So well students, in our previous class we discussed about how to find solution to a pair of linear equation by taking substitution method. Now we can pass on to elimination method. Elimination method. It is also another method to find the solutions for two variable linear pair of two variables. For that a problem is needed. Now we can copy a problem such that yes, the ratio, here is a problem, the ratio of incomes, the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 ratio. That is the income of two persons is given, it is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. Is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month. Yes, per month. Find their monthly incomes. Now here what they are given, observe carefully. The ratio of income of two persons, we don't know. So let us take income of a person is X. Let income of persons is X and expenditure is Y. Expenditure is Y. We have taken income of a person is X and expenditure is Y. So related to this, observe carefully. The ratio of income of two persons is given. It is 9:7. What is the income of a first person? It is 9. 9 times X is income of a person. His expenditure is 4 times Y. So minus 4Y. So while taking income and expenditure, he saves 2000 rupees. How much rupees? 2000 rupees. Once again listen carefully. The income of a first person is 9 times X and expenditure is 4 times Y. So expenditure is subtracted from the income, you will get the saving amount. What is the saving amount? 2000. Call this as equation 1. In the same way, income of a second person is 7. So it is 7x. And his expenditure is how much? 3y. He saves again 2000. He also saves 2000. Call it as equation 2. Now we got two equations. Remember, like this we have to frame the equation. What type of these two equations? Are having linear pair of equation. So you can find x value and y value. X is called income, y is called expenditure. Finally, find their monthly income. You can calculate. Monthly income is how much. You can find x, you will get the monthly income. So remember how to find. So two equations are given. So while taking, make its numerical coefficient must be equal either x or y. That's why multiply equation 1 by these 3 opposite and equation 2 by this 4. Remember once again, actually 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. That is to be multiplied by how much? 3. And 7x minus 3y is equal to, yes, is equal to 2000. That is to be multiplied by 4. Yes. 9 3s are 27 into x minus, so 3 4s are 12y, which is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 0 6000. That is for first equation. 4 7s are 28x minus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 2s are 8 2 0. Now draw one line. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 2 from 1. So while subtracting this one, its sign changes. Here actually plus, it will become minus. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. Therefore, minus 12y cancels with plus 12y. 27x minus 28x is minus x, which is equal to 6000 minus 8000 is how much? Yes, it is minus 2000. So both the side minus, so x is equal to 2000. What is x? X is a income of a person. X is a income of a person. So observe here, find their monthly income. So therefore, monthly incomes of these two persons. First person monthly income is 9x. 9x, that is monthly income. And second person income is 7x. So incomes of monthly incomes is 9x, which is equal to 9 into x is 2000. X is 2000. 9 2s are 18. So 18,000 rupees is the monthly income of first person. And monthly income of a second person. Monthly income of a second person is how much? 7x, which is 7 into 2000. 7 2s are 14. Therefore, rupees and rupees 14,000. These two are the monthly incomes of two persons. Once again, listen here. The ratio of income of two persons is 9:7. And the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. So if each person, so each of them manages to save 2000 per month, find their monthly income. We have taken income of a person is x and expenditure is y. As for this data, so 9x is the income of first person, 4y is the expenditure of the first person. Therefore, so income minus expenditure, which must be equal to saving, which must be equal to savings. How much amount he saves? 2000. Call it as equation 1. So income of second person with expenditure of a second person, he saves 2000. Now we want to eliminate any one variable. Either you can eliminate y or you can eliminate x. For that, here I was chosen to eliminate y. That's why I multiplied 3 to first equation, this 4 to second equation. I would like to make that two are equal, minus 12y and 12y, that is to be eliminated. So after calculating, we got x is equal to 2000, that is the income of a person is in terms of x is, so x is 2000, but here 9x, 9:7 is its income. is its income, the two persons in income. Therefore, monthly income of first person 9x is, so 18,000 rupees, monthly income of a second person, so 7 into x, so 7 into 2,000, it is 14,000. That is the income of a second person. So like this you can find the solution to linear pair of equation. Let us pass on to another problem like this. So don't waste the time. So related to this, many problems are there in your textbook. You can work one by one. So here another problem in this way, what they are given, yes, what is that one? Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Now observe here, no one variable are not equal. You can make, see, its numerical coefficient must be equal. Numerical coefficient must be equal. For that, let us assume the first one is equation 1 and the second one is equation 2. So you can eliminate y variable. That's why multiply for equation 1 by, yes, how much? We want to make it as 6. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Therefore, you can multiply by 2 because 3 2s are, you will get 6. And equation 2 by 6 is already there, 1. Therefore, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 by how much? 2, multiply by 2. And 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. This equation is multiplied by 1. Now, 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y is equal to 2 8s are 16. Again 1 4s are 4, x 1 6 are 6y, 7 1s are 7. So you can subtract this one. While subtracting equation 2 from 1, its sign changes. What is the sign of 4x? Minus. What is the sign of 6y? Minus. Therefore plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Here what sign is there? Plus. You can change minus. Plus 6xy minus 6xy plus 6xy cancel. So LHS we got 0. So RHS, the difference of these two is 9. Therefore it is not possible to find. It is not possible. Then what we have to do? So this is what we can call it as a, in graphical method we have to find solutions for this. Here it is not possible to find x and y. Till yet we have not taken graphical method as well as the solutions for this. Okay, so it's not possible to find x value and y value because you will get, so a1 by a2 is equal to, so b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. The two lines never intersect each other. The two lines never intersect each other. Okay, here the two lines never intersect each other. Got this idea? That one we will continue on next one. Again you can take the another problem. Yes. Now solve x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. How many equations are given here? Yes, it has two equations. Name that equation. First as 1, second as 2. After this, observe here, the numerical coefficient of y is 1, the numerical coefficient of second equation y is 3. You can make these two are equals. What we have to do? So here we want to get 3. That's why multiply equation 1 by how much? 3 and equation 2 by it is n of 1 because 3 ones are 3. Now x plus y is equal to 5 multiplied with how much? 3. Second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 multiplied with 1. Simplify this one. 3 into x, 3x plus into plus 3 into y, 3y which is equal to 3 5s are 15. Second equation 1 into 2, 2x minus 1 into 3y, 3y is equal to 4 1s are 4. What we have to do? Either add these two equations because we want to eliminate either x or y. Here two numerical coefficients are same with opposite sign. So instead of subtraction we can add these two be eliminated. 5x plus 2x is 3x plus 2x is 5x. These two sum is 19. 15 plus 4 is how much? 19. Therefore x is equal to 19 by 5. We got x value 19 by 5. Using any one equation, if you can find y value, for that you can take equation 1. Substitute x value 19 by 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. What is the value of x? It is 19 by 5 plus we don't know y value right as it is, which is equal to 5. Then what we have to do? Now we got a linear equation with one variable. Transpose 19 by 5 to RHS. So y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. Here 5 is there in numerator, denominator it has 1. Now what is the value of y? How to simplify? You can take 1 and 5 LCM. What is its LCM? Yes, it is 5. 1 how many times divides 5? 5 times. 5 into 5 which is 25 minus 5 how many times divides 5? 1 time. That 1 into 19 is 19. Therefore y is equal to 25 minus 19 is 6 by 5. So therefore x is 19 by 5, y is 6 by 5. Like this you have to find the values of x and y by taking elimination method. Elimination method means you can remember one of the method to eliminate y or x. So in your textbook like this many problems are there. So with the help of substitution method as well as elimination method, so you can work out some problems. I will take another problem also. So within this stipulated time, observe carefully. So different types of problems we have taken here. Another problem is like this: x by y. Solve x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Yes. Now a fractional form is given. So using elimination method, we have to find x value and y value. Here in first equation it is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. So let us take the first one, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 which is equal to minus 1. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Yes, it is 6. That 6 you can write it in denominator. Okay. 2 how many times divide 6? 3 times. That 3 into x is 3x plus 3 how many times divide 6? 2 times. 2 into 2y, which is 4y is equal to minus 1. Then what we have to do? 6 to be cross multiplied. Therefore, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1 6 6. Call this as equation 1. We got a linear equation with x and y variable having 3 and 4 its numerical coefficients. Now let us take the another one. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now observe here. Here it has 1. For 1 and 3, what is its LCM? Yes, it is 3. So 3 is an LCM. 1 how many times divides 3? 3 times. 3 times into x is 3x. Minus 3 how many times divides 3? 1 time. 1 into y? Y, which is equal to 3. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. Call this as equation 2. Now observe, here also 3x, here also 3x. Need not necessary to multiply anything. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now add these two equations. While adding 3x plus 3x will become 6x. It is not possible to eliminate. That's why you can subtract equation 2 from 1. Under that cases its sign changes. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. Now plus 3x minus 3x cancel. 4y plus y. You can consider the new signs. 4y plus 1y is 5y, which is equal to minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. Therefore, y is equal to minus 15 by 5. Y is equal to minus 5 1s are 5 3s are. So we got y value is minus 3. Y value is minus 3. By taking any one equation, you can find x. Let us take equation 2. Take equation 2. Any one equation you can consider. So, because here numerical coefficient of y is 1, very simple equation is given. I was taken 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now 3x minus y value minus 3 is equal to 9. Now 3x minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 9. Now after this 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3 is how much? Which is 6. Now x is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now we got x value to y value minus 3. Even you can verify by taking these two equations. By taking these two, if they are given, verify. You can substitute x value as 2 and y value as minus 3. If LHS and RHS are equal, then your answer is correct. Like this, you can solve x value as well as y value. So these are very important. Remember, so one problem will differ from the other problem. So there, just without giving a fraction, we solve. Here, a fractions are given. Here, first one is numerical verbal problem. Second one and third one is numerical problem. That will differ from one problem to another problem. So these are all the procedures involved in solving x and y. You can remember steps are very important. Steps are very important. You can remember one by one what are all the steps we followed. In same way we have to work out. So last problem, another one problem we can solve here. Solve 3x minus 5y with minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Now read the statements. Read the given question. It is not there in order. So you have to write it in a standard form. So 3x minus 5y minus 4 shift to RHS, it will become plus 4. Call this as equation 1. And the second one is 9x retain as it is, 2y transposed to LHS, it will become minus 2y is equal to 7. Call this as equation 2. Using elimination method, you can find x value and y value. Observe here, numerical coefficient of y is minus 5, numerical coefficient of y is minus 2. Multiply 2 with first equation, 5 with second equation. That's why multiply equation yes first by constant 2 and equation 2 by 5. Yes, you have to work out that one. What is that one? 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 is multiplied with constant 2. And 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 is multiplied with constant 5. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 5s are 10y, which is equal to 4 2s are 8. Again 5 9s are yes 45 yes minus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 7 5s are 35. Now what we have to do? Subtract, because here both are same sign. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Minus 10y plus 10y will be cancelled. So 45x minus 6x is 39x, bigger sign minus. Now here which is equal to minus 35 plus 8. Yes, 35 subtract 35 with 8. Yes, how much it is? So 5 8. So it will become 727. Got this idea? 5 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 and remaining 2 27. So minus 27. Now find x value. Minus 27 by minus 39. Minus divided by minus is plus. X is equal to. Now observe. So yes, 3 9s, 3 12s, 13s. Yes, so it is 9 by 13. Once again observe. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 3s are it is. So 9 by 13, that is x value. Now take any one equation, find y value. Take any one equation, yes, 3x, take equation 1, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Substitute, x value is 9 by 13. So 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. 9 3s are 27 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. Then what we have to do? Yes, minus 5y is equal to 4 minus 27 by 13. Now take LCM as 13. Minus 5y is equal to 13 is an LCM. 13 here nothing is there is 1. 1 how many times divides 13? 13 times. 13 4s are, yes, 13 4s are how much? 52. So 52 minus 27. Once again look here. 13 into 4. If you don't know, you can multiply like this. 4 3s are 12, 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. That is 52. Now minus 5y is equal to 52 minus 27. Yes, 12 minus 7 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 25 by 13. 25 by 13. Therefore, y is equal to minus 25 by 13 into 5. 5 1s are 5 5s are. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Like this, you can find the solutions of x and y. So, okay, today we can complete that one. So, two methods we discussed here. You can follow the same thing, so, and extract the problems from the textbook and work out one by one. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all.